The victim suffered a gunshot wound located on the abdomen. The victim suffered a gunshot wound located on the torso, chest area. The victim sustained a chop wound located on the brachium, right arm. The victim sustained a stab wound located on the hip. The victim suffered a gunshot wound located on the left mama. The victim suffered a gunshot wound located on the forehead. The victim sustained a stab wound located on the left mama. The victim sustained a chop wound located on the nasus, face. The victim suffered a gunshot wound located on the faces, right side of the face. The victim sustained a chop wound located on the dorsum, back on the body.